Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to unbox the Amazfit Bip Smartwatch. This smartwatch is available only on Flipkart for Rs 5,799. The color of this watch is onyx black. It is also available in green, black, white and blue. The smartwatch has water resistance up to a depth of 50 meters. It comes with a silicone strap which is quite durable. The smartwatch comes along with a charging adapter and a user manual. It has a 190 mAh lithium polymer battery which lasts up to 30 days. For display, we have a 2.5D Corning Gorilla Glass touchscreen and it is an always-on display. You can get notified of call, message or email or any app notifications. To connect the smartwatch to your phone, we need to download the MiFit app. With the smartwatch being connected to the app, we can easily track our sleep routine, workout routines as well. It has built-in GPS and global navigation satellite system sensors. Both of these sensors use algorithms to give the accurate position. It has accelerometer, barometer, optical heart rate sensor as well. With all these features given in the smartwatch, it can be said to be the best smartwatch under the price range of 6,000 rupees.